From entry-level readers to premium paperwhites, global customers get a buffet of choices. But for kids, until now, it's mostly been rebranded models with cartoonish covers slapped on top. That changes with Amazon's latest edition, the Kindle Colorsoft Kids, a dedicated e-reader for young readers, and it's way more than just a new cover. At the heart of the device is a 7-inch Colorsoft display. Yes, a color e-ink screen. That's a game changer for children's books. Finally, those vibrant illustrations don't get lost in black and white. The Colorsoft Kids comes in two playful case designs, Fantasy River and Starlight Reading, splashing some personality onto the otherwise minimalist Kindle look. It's also IPX8 water resistant, connects over Wi-Fi and charges via USB-C. All the essentials, but with a kid-friendly twist. The package costs $269.99, roughly 23,300 rupees. But here's what you get: a 1-year subscription to Amazon Kids Plus. That's a curated library for ages 3 to 12. When the year's up, it's $5.99 a month. Parents also get a dedicated dashboard, approve what your kids read, track their progress, even set bedtime restrictions. Because yes, kids will try to sneak in that one last chapter. And here's the part every parent will love: a 2-year worry-free guarantee. If the Kindle Colorsoft Kids gets broken, Amazon will replace it, no questions asked. Meanwhile, the standard Kindle Colorsoft is now a bit cheaper too, $249.99 for the 16 GB version. But for now, Indian readers are left waiting, still hoping that the Kindle Colorsoft and its kid-friendly twin will finally cross the border. So what do you think? If the Kindle Colorsoft Kids launched here, would it be on your shopping list?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.